Listen here, the question is cos A minus sin A plus 1 whole divided by cos A plus sin A minus 1, and that we have to prove it as that is equals to cosecant A plus cot A. So obviously when the question comes like this way, so always we are taking the left hand side and proving the right hand side. So here also we have to go with the same method. We have to take the left hand side, that's what we have here, that is this much, and we have to prove the right hand side, that is cosecant A plus cot A. So directly I will move on for left hand side directly without wasting the time. So left hand side is equals to cos A minus sin A plus 1 whole divided by cos A plus sin A minus 1. Already I have done this type of problem, but what is the difference in this is we have to see left hand side is having in terms of cos, sin and 1, and below also same we have, but only one change, signs are different. Here the sign is negative and sign is negative, but here the sign is positive. Here one is positive here and down we have negative. But on the left hand side, if you will compare it correctly, we want that answer in terms of cosecant and cot. It is not in a sin and cos. So obviously the left hand side what we have, we want to convert that left hand side, that's cos, sin and 1 in terms of cosecant and cot. How to convert? So for that purpose something I have to do for the left hand side. So for this cos A, I want to convert this cos A into cosecant, whether it is possible. Or sin A, I want to convert in terms of cosecant, whether it is possible. Or 1 I want to convert into in terms of cosecant or cot A. Is it possible? That you have to think. So
Divided by sin A.
Yes, we have to divide it by something so that these all terms will be equals to the what we have required. So what we have to divide here? By the sin A, because we know that sin A cos A divided by sin A, if we will divide this cos A with the sin A, we are going to get a cos by sin is cot. Sin by sin will be 1, no problem. 1 divided by sin A, it will be cosecant. So everywhere we have to divide with the sin. So let us go with the sin A, dividing cos A divided by sin A minus, we have sin A divided by sin A. So if you want to divide, you have to divide throughout, not for only one number. You have to divide means you have to divide for all. Divided by whole divided by, down also we have cos A divided by sin A. Then we have plus sin A divided by sin A, and we have minus 1 divided by sin A. See, this is the thing what we have to do first and simplify it first. So that will be is equals to cos by sin, that cos by sin will be cot. Sin minus sin is, sin by sin is 1, so minus 1 will be remaining, and 1 by sin A is a cosecant. Similarly down also it will remain same, cos by sin we have, that is nothing but cot A. Sin by sin will be plus 1 now, minus cosecant. So successfully what we have done is, what we required as the right hand side, that we brought on the left hand side. But the problem is division also we have, means in a denominator we have also we have that minus 1, that everything we have to remove, that is our work. So how to do that? I will take one line here and I will continue in the next. That is equals to, so now cot A we have minus 1 we have, so make the arrangement here so that it will be properly we have to represent it. So what I will do here is, first I will take this cot A, because of cot A in both the side, if you will see clearly on the numerator and denominator, if you will compare it clearly, just I will write it down, show you. If you will find the cot A correctly, clearly if you will see, cot A is not changing. The positive cot A in the numerator, positive cot A in the denominator, so it is not changing. But regarding this negative of 1, here you have positive of 1, and cosecant is positive here and negative here. So group them such a way that which is proper, that you will keep it one side. So cot A is proper, so I will make it a separate group. and I will make that -1, that minus as a common, okay, and inside I will write down the other two, that is -1 and cosecant. Why I'm writing like that way, you will come to know. One, the minus sign I have taken common, so the inside positive will turns to negative, and it will become cosecant. Okay, so the negative sign I have taken common. Why? Now we will come to know. Down what we have, that I will take as it is. Cot A, I will keep it as it is. Plus I will take on common now, and inside the sign will become 1 minus cosecant A itself. Clearly I will tell you, here I have taken a negative sign common in the numerator, the previous case negative sign taken I have common, so the inside sign will it will change. So down I have not taken anything common, so it will remain as it is. So one second, it is here minus, here you have minus cosecant A we have, and here you have cosecant. Okay, like this way we have. So obviously you might have known this, the negative sign when you will take it common, the inside sign also it will change, so it became like this. So here what we have to do here is we want to eliminate that 1, no? So for that purpose we will do the rationalizing factor here. So we will multiply the same thing in the denominator. Consider this is a one term, this is another term. It is like √2 minus 3. Anything divided by like this. So what we are doing, that √2 want to remove means we are multiplying the √2 plus 3. You might have know this, √2 plus 3, or this one we are doing. Similar thing we have to do for this also. So we are taking that cot A as it is one term, but here you have positive, so I will take a negative of, yes, negative 1 minus cosecant A. And down also the same thing we have to take, cot A minus 1 minus cosecant A. Okay, that is the first step what we have to use here to remove that 1 from it. I want to remove that 1 from it. So I want to, actually why I have to remove this, that rationalizing factor, you may say I want to remove that 1 means that denominator I want to remove from it, so I have taken like this. Okay, so next what we have to do is the multiplication. So the numerator we will multiply as it is. So here you can see the whole thing looks like similar on both the sides. So we will take it as cot A minus 1, that is 1 minus cosecant A, that whole square, because it is looks like A minus B into A minus B. Consider this whole thing, what we have in a bracket, whole thing as a B and this whole thing as a B. Similar numbers it is repeating, so we can take that whole square, whole divided by cot A. This is now the below what we have, that is A plus B form, and down it is A minus B form. So it is A square minus B square. So it will be cot square A minus 1 minus cosecant A the whole square. Properly you can understand here what is going on. So anyone have a doubt here, you can ask me. Otherwise you can say no, you don't have any doubt, so that I can continue. The numerator is having, anyone have a doubt?
No sir.
No sir.
Okay, the next one you have to continue with the formula. The above whole thing, you see, the above whole thing we can rewrite it. How we can rewrite, just to see. Cot A I will write down as it is, minus I will keep it, I will multiply this inside for both, because the square is outside the bracket, so it will not become any problem. This negative sign I will multiply both inside. Minus into 1 is -1, and minus into minus is positive cosecant A the whole square. So it is the one term it became. So whole divided by, it is whole divided by cot square A minus 1 minus cosecant A the whole square. Now it is in a form of A minus B the whole square. A minus B the whole square form. So you know what is A minus B the whole square. So put it in a bracket, because outside we have negative sign. So put it in a bracket. A minus B the whole square is nothing but A square plus B square minus 2AB. That you know. The same formula you have to apply. But in place of A we have 1. In place of B we have cosecant A. So it is 1 square plus cosecant square A minus 2 into A is 1 into cosecant A. So put that bracket, because bracket is very important here, because outside, remember, negative sign is there, so bracket is very important. So anyone have a doubt till here, you can ask me, otherwise I will continue. Step by step I will explain. Doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, so I can continue now. So let me continue further. So now all of you concentrate again. The above thing, that below thing we have understood. So I will write down one last one sentence, that is below thing one I will go. Cos square A minus 1 square, that is negative sign, what is that? I will multiply for whole. So minus 1 the whole square, that 1 square is 1 only, so minus 1 minus the positive minus cosecant square A. I am taking only denominator, okay? Minus into minus positive 2 cosecant A. Okay, the denominator work is finished. Now we have to go for numerator work. So we will move on to the numerator now. So okay, so now you can see these three terms are there. Cot A, one term that I can take as x, or minus 1 is in a term of a y, and this one is a z. I can take the three terms. So x plus y plus z the whole square formula. Do you know what is x plus y plus z the whole square? Because you can see it is negative we have, that we will make it later on correctly. So it is three terms here. So x plus y plus z the whole square formula. Do you know? Yes, it is nothing but x square plus y square plus z square plus 2 times xy plus 2 times yz plus 2 times zx. So this is nothing but x plus y plus z the whole square formula. Why I am asking this formula is, okay, if why I have asked this question is, that is here in place of x we have cot A, in place of y we have minus 1, remember, in place of y we have minus 1, and in place of z we have cosecant. Okay, so substitute that value. So first one x square, that is nothing but cot square A. Next we have minus 1 the whole square, that is nothing but minus 1 the whole square, that is the 1 square only, so 1 only. So next one you have z square, that is nothing but cosecant square A. Next we have plus 2 times x into y, formula wise 2 times x into y. We have in x square, y square, z square. Now we have 2 into x into y. X value is here cot A, but the y value is here, y value is what here? Minus 1. So minus 1. Plus, next we have to go for 2 times yz. So 2 times y value is minus 1 and z value is cosecant A. It is a very lengthy now, so you have to take more space here to write down this. Next we have positive, and next again we have 2 times zx. So z value is here cosecant, and x value is cot. So this is the procedure what you have to use. So I hope you understood this. What I have did? Clear? Anyone have a
Yes,
doubt?
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Then we can move further. See, I have substituted x square, x plus y plus z the whole square. So this is x square, y square, z square, 2 times xy, y value is minus 1, 2 times yz, 2 times zx. That is the formula, because here I have 3 terms. Okay. Next I will continue. I will rub this. Next we have to move further again. So bring the, okay, calculate this first, everything. Cot square A, I will write on cot square A. Minus 1 the whole square is plus 1. Cosecant square A as it is. Then you have 2 into minus 1 is minus 2 the cot A. Then you have minus into plus 2 is minus 2 cosecant A. 2 times plus 2 times cosecant A into cot A. Cot A it is, okay? Cot A. Whole divided by. So it is here the calculation you can make further. So what is the calculation you may do here is cot square A. I will write down first. Then I will take the minus cosecant square. Then I will write down that minus 1. Then I will write down 2 cosecant A. Okay. So you may ask why I have done this. In the next step, you will come to know why I have done this arrangement. So I have done the arrangement that this cot square A and minus cosecant square A I have written one sided, and I have written this minus 1 and 2 cosecant A another side. Okay. Next one, we will have to go above now. Do you know what is cot square A plus 1? What is cot square A plus 1 here? Cot square A plus 1. Yes, it is nothing but cosecant A. So cot square A plus 1, here we have cot square A plus 1. It is nothing but cosecant square A, identity 3. So you know the identity 1 plus cot square A is equals to cosecant square A. So that identity we are applied and we got that cosecant square A. So again we have cosecant square A again. Here we have cosecant square A that I will write on as it is. I will not make any changes in that. Cosecant square A I have written as it is. And next we have to combine that 2 cosecant A, cot A, and everything what we have that we will write down as it is. Nothing I will make it change. So this 2 cosecant A what we have now, that last what we have that 2 cosecant A cot A that I will write down here, plus 2 cosecant A into cot A. And I will write this minus 2 cot A because both the sides have minus sign, so I will write down that both on one side, minus 2 cosecant A. Okay, so this I have grouped it such a way that next time when I am taking the common, it will be easier for me to solve. For that purpose I have taken the below one what we have. Now we have to make such arrangement. What is cot square A minus cosecant square? Same identity what we have used here. Here what we have is cot square A minus cosecant square A. So cot square I will keep it here only. This cosecant square I will bring it on the left hand side. It will become minus cosecant square A. That plus 1 what I have, that I will shift it to the other side. It will become minus 1. So here we will find that cot square A minus cosecant square A is nothing but the value is what? Minus 1. So this value what we have, that value will become minus 1. So minus 1, one more is that you keep it as it is, plus 2 cosecant A, write it down as it is. So till here, anyone have a doubt means you can ask me quickly. Anyone have a doubt here? So it,
No, sir.
yes, little bit it will confuse you, but when you will do the practice it is good. So once again, if you want, just I will clarify you. So I have not done anything extra here. So I have grouped them. So this cot square A plus 1 I have written as a cosecant square A. Cosecant square A what I have, that I have kept as it is, nothing changed. Minus 2 cot A minus 2 cosecant A I have written at the end, because both those having minus sign, no? Minus 2 we have. So I have written this 2 cosecant A cot A I have written here because it will be combined together. This 2 will be combined together in the next step. For that purpose I have written like that. So you have to be practiced. That time you will come to know how to combining this group and all. Okay. Next, in the below also we have done the same procedure. What we have done is these two things we have, using the identity we have written as the minus 1. This whole both things is minus 1, and rest everything I have written as it is. So now the calculation part. Clearly. Cosecant square A is 2 times cosecant square A plus 2 cosecant A into cot A. I have not done anything now. Here we have minus 2 that can be taken common. So remaining will be cot A minus minus already taken common, so it will be plus cosecant A. So what I have did here is this minus 2 I have taken common from both. So it became cot A plus cosecant A whole divided by minus 1 is minus 2 plus 2 cosecant A. Okay, minus 1 minus 2 I have taken the minus 2, and that much I have done. Now I will take in this and in this common. In this and in this common is 2, and one more is cosecant A, because both the side we have cosecant A here also cosecant A, here also 2, here also 2. It is common, so I will take the common of 2 cosecant A. 2 cosecant A common. Remaining will be cosecant A plus cot A. And here we have minus 2, and here also we have cot A, that I can write on cosecant A plus cot A. First I have written cosecant A, then I have written cot A, because Here also we have the same thing, cosecant and cot A, cosecant A, cot A. So what I have done, cot A I have written here and cosecant I have written here. Nothing change, it will be whole divided by minus 2. I will take it common, the inside it will remain 1 plus cosecant A, or it is better to keep that as it is, no need to make anything common, keep it as it is, but I will write down the 2 cosecant A first, then I will write down minus 2 and I will put the bracket. Okay, I have not taken common in that because it will cancel it out both. So remaining will be, see, cosecant A, cot A. Here also cosecant A, cot A is common, so I can write it down that cosecant A plus cot A, and remaining will be 2 cosecant A, and here minus 2, and down also we have that same thing, 2 cosecant A minus 2. So obviously this minus 2 cosecant A minus 2, cosecant A minus 2, it will cancel because here in between have into. So final answer is cosecant A plus cot A, and that is your final answer. That is your left hand side, and you got the RHS also. The right hand side also same. So this is only they have told us to prove. Here you have cosecant A plus cot A you have to prove, and that is your cosecant A into cosecant A plus cot A. So I hope you understood this. If you have a doubt, you can ask me.